Good morning, everybody. The NEET PG examination is postponed. I, as the Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, understand the plight of the students when the examination is postponed in the last minute. But this was inevitable. Doubts have been raised about the credibility of NEET UG examination. NET was postponed due to similar allegations. In such a situation, the Government of India has taken a tough and prudent stand to postpone the PG NEET examination, and it has also entrusted the CBI to look into the allegations about the malpractices in the NEET UG examination also. I know this will cause despair to the students, especially to the hard-working, honest students, but this is inevitable. To bring back confidence in the system, certain tough measures have to be taken. So I request the students not to become impatient. No need